Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Still feels cringe saying that. Right now I am getting ready because we are heading to rehearsal shoreside. This week we are in something called a dry dock. So basically the ship parks in a shipyard and gets a little beauty makeover. So it gets touch-ups and anything fixed on the ship that needs to be fixed. So during that time we have no access to the stage, so we have to go rehearse at the old AIDA rehearsal studios, which I will show you today. I'm really excited because I never got to rehearse there before, and it will be nice to have like a real rehearsal experience there. But also we have a ton of stuff to learn in only 2 weeks or something. So yeah. So we meet here every morning to get our lunches and stuff. And then we love DRYDOCK. And then we'll get on the bus to go to the rehearsal studios. Let's play. DRYDOCK. Okay guys, here we are at the AIDA rehearsal studios. Hello, hi. Okay, here is our singing rehearsal studio. It's so weird being in actual rehearsal space and not on the ship. But it has this little balcony. Look at this view. Loving it.
Because you're not on the ship. Wow.
Here we go. Singers bonding activity in Deutschland.
He's complaining about how his hair is.
It's called Federweißer.
Federweißer.
And it's tricky because it's a bit like cider. You drink it like cider.
Ah, yeah.
Oh.
A bit like that, but not too much because the following day, even if you're not like drunk, you can
Okay, we're trying the special.
Pumpkin soup.
Thank you so much.
It's really nice.
Show that thing. It's kind of fabulous. Now we have to walk the plank. I'm just actually very scared to focus. And there's the ship. It's out of the water. Well, that's why it's called dry dock. Something important to note is that it rains basically every day in Hamburg. I didn't even check the weather today. I just assumed it was raining, and I was right. There she is. She has some fresh paint. They're replacing, I think, the glass in all these balconies. They're doing a lot of stuff. Okay, we're heading to our favorite cafe that a ton of the AIDA people used to go to when they had rehearsals here all the time. It's called Cafe May. Look at these. Tasty. This is the famous Hamburg pastry. Bag secured, literally. And now we're going back to rehearsal. Okay, so it's interesting because we've already premiered all our shows, but now we have to learn 3 extra shows because the World Cruise guests need more entertainment. So we're learning this one, Disco Connection. I hate it. Then we have to each sing a solo song in the 90s show, and I have to sing this song, Summer Dreaming. And then, what is the third one? Oh. Ich bin Schlager, Schlager. Ich bin, sorry. Schlager is, how would you describe Schlager, boys?
Like German folk music that kind of lasts through time.
Trashy dance music.
Yeah, trashy German dance music. So we're all speaking German. Deutsch.
Thanks so much.
Okay, Okay, now we're off for our lunch break. We are getting everyone's favorite food.
Dönerbox.
Dönerbox. Kebabbies.
Subway.
Here we are at the, it's pouring rain, that's why my hair is like this. The, what is his name?
Bowser.
The Bowser concert. Okay guys, so tonight I did something crazy and went to a German rap concert, even though I speak 5% German. What was the name of the artist?
Bowser.
Bowser. I love Bowser. Bowser. What is interesting is at the concerts, the Germans don't dance, they just watch. Like
I danced. I
Yeah.
gave everything I got.
yeah, that is weird, but anyways, I love Bowser. I bought a t-shirt for 50 bucks. A maestro. Okay, day 2 of German entertainment. Today we are seeing Sister Act in German. How excited are you?
It's gonna be fun.
Our music director is also the music director for this production.
Which is why we're here.
Which is why we're here. So as you can see, the ship is kind of a mess right now as they work to fix things. Looks a little scary, but hopefully by the time they are finished, everything will look pretty and shiny and new. Okay, today we're at a cool cocktail bar in Hamburg on a date night. And all the cocktails are supposed to be really crazy. I got the Michelangelo one where you get to paint. So this is all edible. You can eat the paper. Here's my little water can. I'm painting David.
What?
David got the Charlie Sheen, and it was hidden inside this book.
Can we tell the story
a
again?
flask. Basically, he said he was going to start reading and stop drinking, and this is the book he likes to read. But he hid a flask in there. SparkNotes version. Nice. Here's my final artwork.
Pretty accurate, I would say.
I would say so too. So it's time to eat the art.
Want to keep it.
It tastes like the body of Christ at church. Okay, round 2, the Lego movie cocktail. David's never been so excited.
This is the thief. Here's the policeman coming.
Which is like 5 minutes away from our place.
Okay, today we're watching the dancers do a run of Viva 90s.
It's the first time we put it all together like that.
We're excited.
It's gonna be fine.
It's gonna be great. Just rehearsal. on the ship. There's the ship.
Wait and wait. Wait for the beers as well. Yeah, double up with the beer.
I got that. It's a pork knuckle. Greta got the, what called curries. She got the sausage. Schnitzel. Pulled pork.
Say Deutschland!
Okay, we made it to the Reeperbahn in Deutschland. We're going to the strip club, Mom. Sorry. DRYDOCK! Goodbye, rehearsal studios. Goodbye, Wi-Fi. Today, David was invited to a barbecue with his riding team. They're cleaning the lifeboats. They cooked food. There's the ship. I think I'm the only girl here. Okay, here we are. I got my schnapps. I love it. It's raining, so we're inside this little thing. It's a beautiful day. Now we removed all the covers and we're starting to clean up the ship for the passengers.
DRYDOCK.
Everyone smile! I love my job. Okay, update. I'm now sitting on deck 6. I'm supposed to be security here. I don't know why they would trust me to do this. Just to make sure no one goes off the emergency gangway. But I haven't really been given many instructions and don't know how to use the walkie-talkie. So, that's good. DRYDOCK.
Welcome to the LSA family.
I thought we were just going for a walk.
Yes, you just started talking.
Okay, DRYDOCK complete. Morale? Low.
The lowest it's ever fucking been on either ship.
It's as low as me. But yeah, it's true. Can only go up from here. Okay guys, it's the last day of DRYDOCK. We finished all of our work, the 3 shows, and now they have prepared some sort of drone show for us on the pool deck. Drone show. Yeah, it is really cool. They gave us free drinks, so that's a plus. Freezing cold rum punch. Freezing cold. Chris has really been hurt by DRYDOCK.
Here.
You are really cool.